Welcome back, computer hackers. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical and pressing topics in tech cybersecurity in the cloud. With businesses and organizations of all sizes rapidly adopting cloud solutions to enhance agility, scalability, and efficiency, securing cloud environments has never been more crucial. But with so many options available, how do the top 3 cloud platforms Amazon Web Services AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform GCP stack up against each other when it comes to security? Whether you're a business leader responsible for protecting your company's data, a developer working on cloud-based applications, or just a cybersecurity enthusiast, this video will help you understand the strengths and weaknesses of each platform's security offerings. We'll explore each provider's key security features, identify potential vulnerabilities, and even discuss which cloud platform might be the best fit for your organization based on specific use cases. So stick around until the end, because what we're about to cover can have a massive impact on how you secure your cloud environment and your overall cybersecurity strategy. The fundamentals of cloud security. Before we start comparing AWS, Azure, and GCP, it's essential to get a quick overview of cloud security fundamentals. Cloud security is a broad discipline that encompasses everything from identity management to encryption and network security. At its core, it's about protecting cloud-based data, applications, and infrastructure from potential threats like unauthorized access, data breaches, and cyber attacks. Cloud security follows a shared responsibility model. This means that both the cloud provider and the customer share the responsibility of securing the environment. For example, cloud providers are typically responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure, including the physical data centers, networking, and server hardware. On the other hand, customers are responsible for configuring access controls, managing data encryption, and securing their applications. Each provider implements this shared responsibility model in slightly different ways, offering various tools and services to help customers manage their security posture. So how do AWS, Azure, and GCP differ in their approach? Let's find out, starting with AWS. AWS Cloud Security Overview. Amazon Web Services AWS is the industry leader in cloud computing, controlling the largest market share. AWS's extensive suite of services and its global network of data centers have made it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. But what about its security features? Number 1, Identity and Access Management. IAM. AWS IAM allows you to define permissions and roles that determine who can access specific resources and what actions they can take. IAM integrates with AWS organizations, enabling centralized management of multiple AWS accounts. This allows you to create permission boundaries, which limit the scope of IAM policies, adding another layer of protection. Number 2, Encryption Services. AWS offers encryption for data at rest and in transit. It provides built-in encryption for several services like Amazon S3, EBS, and RDS. With AWS Key Management Service KMS, you can create and control the encryption keys used across all services. AWS also supports envelope encryption, where you use a master key to encrypt data encryption keys, further securing sensitive information. Number 3, Security Monitoring and Threat Detection. AWS has powerful tools like Amazon GuardDuty, AWS CloudTrail, and AWS Security Hub. GuardDuty uses machine learning to detect potential threats based on anomalous activities, while CloudTrail logs every action taken on your AWS account for compliance and audit purposes. Security Hub aggregates security alerts and findings, helping you maintain a comprehensive view of your security posture. Number 4, Compliance Certifications. AWS supports a vast array of compliance standards, such as SOC 123, ISO 27001, PCI DSS, and FedRAMP. This makes it an ideal choice for organizations in highly regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and government. Pros of AWS Security. Extremely mature and extensive range of security services. Strong compliance support. Suitable for heavily regulated industries. Advanced threat detection and incident response capabilities. Cons of AWS Security. Steep learning curve and complexity, particularly for smaller teams. High costs for some security services, which can be a barrier for small to medium-sized enterprises. Microsoft Azure Security Overview. Microsoft Azure is a close competitor to AWS, offering an impressive range of cloud services. Azure's security approach benefits greatly from its deep integration with other Microsoft products like Windows Server, Active Directory, and Office 365, making it a go-to option for enterprises already invested in the Microsoft ecosystem. Number 1. Azure Security Center. Azure Security Center is a centralized management tool that helps you assess the security of your resources, protect them against threats, and monitor security alerts. It provides advanced threat detection powered by machine learning and integrates with Azure Defender for workload protection. Number 2. Azure Active Directory. Azure AD. Azure AD is Microsoft's identity management service. It enables single sign-on SSO and multi-factor authentication MFA for Azure resources and third-party applications. Azure AD's conditional access feature helps define access policies based on factors like user location, device, and application risk. Number 3. Encryption and data security. Azure offers comprehensive encryption options, supporting both server-side encryption (SSE) and client-side encryption. With Azure Key Vault, you can securely store and manage keys, secrets, and certificates, and even integrate it with hardware security modules (HSMs) for additional protection. Number 4. Compliance and security certifications. Azure has a wide range of compliance certifications similar to AWS, including SOC, ISO, and HIPAA. Azure's Compliance Manager simplifies the process of managing compliance by providing detailed assessments and recommendations. Pros of Azure Security: strong identity and access management capabilities, seamless integration with Microsoft's ecosystem, comprehensive compliance support. Cons of Azure Security: can be complex to configure due to the variety of features. Integration with non-Microsoft tools may require additional configuration. Google Cloud Platform Security Overview. Google Cloud Platform (GCP) may not be as widely adopted as AWS or Azure, but it has a reputation for prioritizing security and privacy. Google's experience in securing its own infrastructure, which supports services like Gmail and YouTube, translates directly to GCP security offerings. Number 1. Identity and Access Management. IAM. GCP's IAM provides fine-grained access control by defining who can do what on which resources. The identity-aware proxy IAP and Cloud Identity offer additional layers of security by limiting resource access based on user identity and device state. Number 2. Data encryption and security. GCP automatically encrypts data at rest and in transit by default, using ACE 256 for storage services and TLS for network traffic. For more granular control, customers can use Cloud Key Management Service (KMS) or bring their own keys buyout for managing encryption keys. Number 3. Security Command Center. This tool offers a centralized view of your GCP assets and security health. It integrates with services like Web Security Scanner and Cloud DLP, data loss prevention, to detect vulnerabilities and sensitive data in real time. Number 4. BeyondCorp Framework. GCP's BeyondCorp security model enables a zero-trust architecture by shifting access controls from the network perimeter to individual users and devices. This approach enhances security, especially for remote and distributed teams. Pros of GCP security: default encryption of data at rest and in transit, strong zero-trust architecture with BeyondCorp, innovative security tools like Cloud DLP and Security Command Center. Cons of GCP security: fewer compliance certifications compared to AWS and Azure, smaller marketplace, and fewer third-party integrations, comprehensive comparison, and use cases. Let's summarize the security strengths and ideal use cases for each provider. AWS: best for organizations requiring extensive compliance certifications and sophisticated threat detection tools. Ideal for regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Azure: best for enterprises already invested in Microsoft products. Great for companies looking for deep integration with on-premises systems and hybrid cloud setups. GCP: best for companies prioritizing data privacy and security innovation. Suitable for organizations looking to implement a zero-trust model and manage sensitive data. In conclusion, each cloud provider, AWS, Azure, and GCP, has a unique approach to cybersecurity, and the best choice depends on your organization's specific needs. AWS shines with its extensive compliance offerings, Azure is unbeatable for Microsoft-centric organizations, and GCP's focus on privacy and zero trust makes it a strong contender for data-centric companies. Which cloud provider do you think offers the best security? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this in-depth comparison, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Computer Hackers for more expert insights into cloud security, tech trends, and cybersecurity strategies. Until next time, stay safe and keep hacking the right way.